Okay. So, here's a resurrection of my kerosene heater. Sat for about 10 years in my basement. Figured I'd set it up back here in my shop. It's kind of cold. I got a big back door. And you can even see there's some light in the door there that lets some cold in. So I need to buff it from the rest of the workshop, because the heat is not heating it back there. So we flip open the door here. We set it. Turn the wick all the way up. Hit the button. You can see the little glow plug there. Should fire it up in a second. Maybe 2. There we go. Drop it. Get that wick nice and burning so it doesn't smoke up too much. I can't believe I brought this from down my basement after 10 years and the kerosene in it burnt still, and even the batteries in the back worked. And while I'm working, if it's really cold, it's a nice place to come over and warm my hands up. These things are great. Okay. So, here's a resurrection of my Kerosene